its mighty wings and pounced upon its prey. And all the skies, so brilliant blue, turned suddenly to gray. The cherished things are perishing and buried in their tomb. There is no hope, no reasoning, this rainy day in June. Everybody felt the rain. Everybody felt the rain. Everybody felt the rain. Everybody felt the rain. The demon stretched its wrinkled hand and snatched a butterfly. The elves and gnomes were hunched in fear, too terrified to cry. The reckoning was beckoning, they're living to their